In this video, I am going to demonstrate about pattern drafting. Objective: draft basic or block pattern. 1. Draft the front pattern for ladies' trousers. There must be fundamental lines for ladies' trousers before proceeding to the steps in drafting the front pattern. This is an example of actual draft of foundation lines. Steps in drafting the front pattern. Step 1. From 1, measure 1/2 of the city scale outward to get 5. Step 2. From 5, measure 1/8 of the city scale outward to get 6. Step 3. From 5, measure 3/4 inch to get F. Mark the midpoint of 5 and F as 7. Step 4. Mark the midpoint of 6 and 1 as 8. Square down to get 9 as the intersection at line C, 10 at line 3, 11 at line 2, and 12 at line E. Step 5. From 8, measure 1/2 inch to get 13. Square up 13 to get 14 at line A. Step 6. From 14, measure 1/4 of the waist scale plus 1/4 inch to get 15. Then draw a guideline from 7 to 15. Step 7. From 14, measure 1/4 of the waist scale plus 1/2 inch and raise 1/4 inch upward to get 16. Connect 16 and 14 with a curved line. Step 8. Mark the intersection of the guideline and line 4 as 17. From 17, measure 1/4 inch to the left to get 18. Step 9. Draw a line from 15 to 18. Connect 6 and 18 with a curved line. Step 10. From 1, measure 1/2 inch to the left to get G. Then connect 16 and G with a curved line. Step 11. From 10, measure 1/4 of the knee measure to the left to get 19 and to the right to get 20. Connect 6 to 19 and G to 20. Step 12. From 11, measure 1/4 of the bottom measure to the left to get 21 and to the right to get 22. Connect 19 to 21 and 20 to 22. Step 13. From 12, measure 1/4 of the bottom measure plus 1/4 inch to the left to get 23 and to the right to get 24. Step 14. Connect 21 to 23 and 22 to 24 with a straight line. Step 15. Mark intersections of line D to get 25 and 26. This is the final draft front pattern. This is an example of actual draft of front pattern. I hope you learned something in this video lesson. It is now your turn to draft your own pattern. Good luck!